Keep flying away, away, away. Ooh, lost in your world. Ooh, memories of home.
It's like, keep going a little bit.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, hat pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head.
These days are running slow. Sunsets and shores far from home. Headlights are shining on the sea. No place on earth I'd rather be. And I could try to just follow the swell, but I'll never find this anywhere else. Been to all those places on the wall, and none come close to this, I'm sure. You try to say the sunrise the same, but tell me, have you ever danced in the rain? And I could try to just follow the swell, but I'll never find this anywhere else. Try to just follow the swell, but I'll never find this anywhere else. I'll never find, I'll never find.
open dream or riding on the wave of light. Everything is changed, buried under graves, huddled on the runway, waiting for the night to fly away. And how the years alight themselves and blend into a single flame. I don't think there's a good way out, but I don't know how I can stay. Tell me something true before I lose myself. I need a place that's ours and nothing else. We can drink the rain, come back home again. Nothing lights as brightly as the darkness in the dawn. Please don't fly away. And how the years alight themselves and blend into a single flame. I don't think there's a good way out, but I don't know how I can stay. We can drink the rain, come back home again. Nothing lights as brightly